Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Make sure you are signed into the correct Apple ID and that iCloud has enough free space. Connect to Wi-Fi and plug the device into power, otherwise backups pause. Now open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Backup. Toggle Backup on if it's off and tap Backup now. This starts an immediate copy of your device to iCloud so you can restore later. Once done, check the timestamp to confirm success. Once backup is running, manage contents to save space and time. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud Manage Storage, and inspect which apps use the most space. You can toggle app data off to exclude it from future backups. This reduces size, but loses that app's restore point. For photos, decide between iCloud Photos and excluding camera roll. Also make sure key items like health and keychain are toggled on because they preserve encrypted, essential data during a restore. To complete a restore, reset the device or start a new one. Then during setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure the correct backup date is selected. Do not interrupt the process. After restore, verify by checking Settings, iCloud Backup, and by opening key apps to confirm data. If something goes wrong, retry on a stable Wi-Fi network, free up iCloud space, install the latest iOS, and only then contact Apple support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.